How to see Netflix password on phone. So let's get started. Netflix does not show saved passwords for security reasons. But here is a way you can find your Netflix password on your iPhone. First of all you have to do is tap on the Password Manager app available on your home screen. If you are updated to the latest version, then you will get to see Password Manager app on your home screen. If not, then you'll have to navigate to the settings and tap on the passwords option available there. Now, once you tap on the Password Manager, you will be authenticated with Face ID or Touch ID. Then all you have to do is tap on the Passkeys option available there, and inside passkeys you will get to see the long list of passwords option available. Search for Netflix and tap the entry to view your saved passwords. So that is it. This works if you previously saved your Netflix passwords on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.